Hey everyone! Today, I'm super excited to unbox the Brown Box Texture Art Kit. First up, we have these 4 high-quality MDF boards. They're sturdy and smooth, just perfect for any kind of textured art or wall decor projects. There's a full set of acrylic paints in soft pastel colors. And with that we also get 2 premium paint brushes, one flat and one rounder, giving you flexibility. Here's something really cool, a bag of texture powder. This is the heart of any texture art project. And here's something special, a 4-in-1 acrylic texture art tool. This multifunctional tool helps you achieve a variety of textures, lines, and patterns effortlessly. Next, we've got a pair of protective gloves, keeping your hands mess-free while working with texture paste and paints. And look, they've even included 2 mixing cups, a mixing bowl, wooden spatulas, a sponge, sandpaper, and a transparency sheet. There's even glue and a white acrylic paint bottle. This is such a complete and beginner-friendly texture art kit, no need to buy anything extra. If you love styling your space, this kit is perfect for creating custom wall art and modern home decor. And if you're looking for a thoughtful and creative present, this kit is perfect for gifting. It makes a unique gift for birthdays, holidays, housewarmings, or even for a fellow art lover who enjoys DIY projects. Order yours now on Amazon, link in the description below.